GDA also added you and Green Eyes. Tried to. Oh, it didn't allow me to add Green Eyes. I tried to unmute him, but I guess Jaden took back host when I tried.
We're good now. Thanks, Chris.
What's good? What's up, Grizzly? Good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing, bro? How's your weekend?
It's amazing. Had a good weekend. Said you had a good one as well.
Good. Good. It was productive, man. I was content with it. So I was happy with it. And it's snowing. We got like 5 inches of snow last night, bro.
Nice.
Yeah, well, I love the snow, man. I am a fan of the snow. There you go.
Good morning, YouTube. Welcome in. Welcome in. I hate that we confirmed off this opening candle, or this the candle before open. I was trying to confirm. We can try it, but it's just higher risk off the open, so know the risk. Where is the 30-minute confirmed before the hourly?
You guys got any snow where you live in Canada yet, Green Eyes?
Nah, bro, it's still positive over here. We got lots of rain where I'm living, but no snow yet.
Jaden. Oh, sorry, Green Eyes.
What's going on, Grace?
I say my name. I see what you did.
I didn't do anything. I don't know what you're talking about, bro.
I see what's up.
What do you say, Mr. Nut about it?
Yeah. I hear you.
Come on, tell me what I'm gonna start.
Well, that was easy. That was easy. Anybody take that, yo? Dang. Nice scalper off the open. You should have stopped out at entry. You trimmed. Man, I caught some nice trades. I'm not taking no trade right now, but I passed 3 150K evals with Grizzology. Crazy, right? I hope we sell off nicely.
Gonna sell some moolah.
What's up, Team Bull? You all watching anything? Hopefully we get our SPY bounce.
What's your SPY bounce level, bro?
568.5. Market's looking heavy. Looks like it wants to push down. It's okay.
Works for me. I've been reading that in the most unpolitical. Make our bags either way.
What's up, YouTube? I'm still around. I'm just gonna mute for just a second. I'll be back. Answer questions. Just a sec. All right, YouTube. You have any questions for me? Why we got some time and waiting on trades. Who knows what'll happen with the market after election? This could stay flat. No one knows. That's why we just trade level zones with confirmation and we invest long term. Jason, it will confirm for you. Share risk management for the 150K evals. I just position accordingly to the candles, Candle close. If I don't feel comfortable with the candle, say it's a massive hourly candle, I probably won't take the trade. If I do, of course, I'm not going to hold it until for a 100-point loss or something on NQ. Just have to follow your own risk plan. There's really no rights and wrongs with it. Just have to have your plan and trade it. Just use my indicators, extra confirmation with whatever your edge is. That's going to add more probability. But if you need that, you can use the 5-minute, you can use 30-minute, or the hourly. It's whatever you prefer. Keep in mind the hourly may have more risk on it because it's a higher, let's say, when I say more risk, I mean it's going to be a bigger candle, right? More points. But lower time frames, the more chance of it being a scalp, from what I've seen. Not every time. Sometimes we catch a nice 5-minute entry and it'll run 50, 100 points, but sometimes.
Getting closer to your bounce level, Drizzy.
Yeah, I know I'm watching it closely here. I think I like this QQQ bounce better, so I got some NQ pulled up. We shall see.
Language.
483.75 is my bounce level on QQQ. Brandon, you around? He left us. Couldn't see my from all the DMs. From all the chat, I couldn't see my level there. We strive as traders to have the best risk to reward possible, but I'm here to tell you, not every trade, every setup, every level, every confirmation is going to be that 3-1 or 4-1. Some trades I take, they are lower, but that's why it comes in with our high win rate.
I'm gonna watch this 570.4 and 570.7 on SPY for a reject. What you got going if I take it?
For those new to my YouTube live here, you'll hear Team Bull in the background. Just because they take a trade doesn't mean I always do. You're free to. Just letting you know. If I take something, there won't be no confusion. So. I think it's gonna bounce with Alex, Jay Dunn. Maybe a little early.
I know, bro.
So close. I would have started my position early, but it's harder to do with NQ as opposed to options. Get away from you quickly. That's awesome. You said you're halfway through your eval with the Grizzology. That's awesome. Did ES? I'm sorry if we missed a trade. It's probably my fault. I'm just sitting here rambling. Oh wow, missed it. Well, I mean, technically, well, yeah, missed your entry. Sorry about that one. If you have Grizzology though, you could have called that.
Waiting to see how this 5-minute candle closes. No entry yet.
Did anybody catch this? I missed it. I'm sure missed it. I mean, this goes with it, you know. Live trading, it sometimes distracts you some, but I enjoy it, so can't complain too much for missing that trade. People don't understand. I've never used indicators. Never. I've always just used price action and volume. And I honestly, when I created Grizzology, it'll be a month old this Friday. When I created it, I got it as close to my strategy as possible for supply and demand. But I didn't realize how good it would be. If I'm being completely honest, I didn't realize, like, I don't know. It surprised me. I guess it was more than I expected. CJ, too far. Too far. No, wait, TMI. TMI.
Levels are invalid, no reject.
Appreciate that, Jam. How you been? I don't know, Sparta, honestly.
Grizzly, they done took my bounce 10 points early.
I know, man. We missed it.
At 2,000, bro. Or 2,000, excuse me.
We could see some crazy continuation off this trade if it holds above this prior day. I just feel like I'm chasing at this point, you know, if I enter. It's good to hear, Jam. Glad you're doing well. JX, I'm not for sure about that one. You may have to reach out to. I don't think there's not a way to like turn off the past ones. They're there. You just have to, you know, turn off the indicator if you want to not see it for a minute. We missed the trade of the morning. It's my fault. We should have entered right here. I didn't. I was looking at NQ. I wasn't looking at ES. We had good confirmation here on the 5. Our entry should have been exactly right here at 4 or 5744, and we could have caught this move up. That is on me. I'm just gonna leave it on ES for a minute. We've had all kinds of setups today since market opened yesterday. Let me show you all something real quick while we got some time here. Well, I can't, it's hard for me to show. It's on the NQ. NQ. Right here's some trades. So that was after market open. That was yesterday, right? I caught this trade. Then this confirmed, like 2 in the morning. Caught, you know, then a huge move down there. So 2 solid hourly confirmations since open yesterday. All right, let's focus on some trading. I need to make some money from. I don't need to, but I want to make some money trading today after market opens. Let's see what this hourly looks like here. Jesus, I hate taking trades off massive hourly candles though. Look at that. Yes, Sparta. Do I ever do one-on-one training sessions outside of Team Bull? I do not. I don't really do. I teach some in the mastermind, but honestly, I tried it for a while. It's been years ago, but I tried like doing the hourly sessions with people. And I opened up like a calendar. I think it's like $200 an hour or something. And I just stayed so booked up from it. It's just insane. I just got tired of them, honestly. I'm like, just quit doing them. I can't remember if it's like 175 or 200, honestly, but I stayed booked out. And you basically have to plan your whole day around a 1 hour session, you know? How many Jonas we got in here?
on here? Too quiet.
Oh, we're alive. How's your morning going?
Well, I've taken 43 points already on the admin floor.
Nice.
It is even the voice chat open for you because you always killing it. So I'm just going to type it away, but maybe I'll jump on voice.
Take it away, Drinos. Do your thing.
Take it away, Green.
I'm going to watch consolidation here on NQ around the 20,100 level. Gonna wait till it drops beneath the 90 to add to my shorts where I entered in.
Alright. I'm gonna mute Team Bull for a second while I talk to my YouTube peeps over here. Let's see. Free version. The free version is gonna be for Grizzology holders, and it's almost done. If I can't get something, the way I want it, if it's not providing good value, I'm gonna try to fine tune it as much as possible. Not seeing any trades at the moment. If we get hourly confirmation on ES, I may give longs a go. We got about 5-6 more minutes to see what goes on there. Dr. Sushi. Well, right now you can still. I still like Apex, so you can, if you want to check them out, go to grizzlytrades.com and use my code Grizzly. You get like a discount. Helps me out a little, but they do pay. I have proof. I'm not saying they're for everyone, but. I'm not for sure, honestly, JX. Guess we'll just have to adapt. Getting my orders ready in case we do take this. I was hoping we pull back a little more. I'm not comfortable with this hourly. It's just a massive candle. I was hoping we stay down. If you all want to take it, I mean, you can see what we have, what we're working with here. Just, I would probably go light or trade like minis or something. So that is quite a bit of risk there. Quite a bit of risk. Not for sure. Data about to drop every one, just a heads up. You heard me, YouTube. I don't like the risk on this candle here. See, this is an hourly confirmation, but look at this massive move, right? So what's that tell you about this trade, just looking at this massive candle? Where would your stop loss be? Like, it's just a lot of risk. So if you take it, please go lightly. I'm going to set this one out. Going to set that one out. Too much risk for my tolerance. If you if the trade matches your criteria, go for it. You did get confirmation, but I expect somewhat of a pullback before we continue on. I may be wrong. Right here should have been your entry. I stand corrected. She's gonna pump. It's alright. I'm okay missing it. If it does pump. Yes, I do, Jonas. Well, Jaden, we missed the biggest trade of the morning.
Well, no, man.
You watching anything?
No. I mean, I'm watching, still giving the market some time, but missed my bounce level.
Run the likes up for me, YouTube. I appreciate it. Thumbs up. Run them up, please. Greenhouse going crazy in the admin floor. Crazy. I really like this new weekly schedule, Jaden.
But no, me too, man.
That's a game changer for
Makes
Team
you feel
Bull.
more organized, right?
Yeah.
Having complete daily classics for everybody.
There's quite a bit of education this week as well.
Yeah, we're gonna have that every week, bro.
I like it. I like the organization.
Power hour at least a few days a week. Interactive sessions. I want this to be a place people can come and learn and have a true feel of community. Only one Team Bull.
That's right. I just chart. Jonas hourly levels are my go-to if possible. Hourly, then 4 hour, then daily. I don't chart on anything lower than an hourly time frame. The levels you see on your screen, though, my indicator charts automatically. You don't have to do any of this. It just does it all. I guess one day I will quit questioning this indicator because it already paid. There's your first trim spot. 5 points. Well, close to 5 points. Can someone answer BBM's question for me in the comments, please?
Game Grizzly. Yours 5 ounce was about 70 cents away too.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah, QQQ.
I know. I know.
I was gonna tell everyone in Team Bull in the live this morning. Someone mentioned that one of the prop firms they use are not allowing trading tomorrow, so you may want to check with if you use funded accounts with who you're trading with. Make sure they allow it due to the election day. Not for sure, Trey. Have not read into it yet. I see some of my own personal levels, but we're just kind of in between them. I have my own levels, like from the weekly watch list I post on here on YouTube, but we're just like right in between them, sitting in between them. Yeah. Should have caught that off the 5 minute entry. 5 minute confirmation would have been entered right here. Caught that move up there. Interesting price action here. Any more questions for me, YouTube? I'm just waiting on some setups. No, I'm not in no trades. I'm not in a trade. 0 trades open. I still can't get over that name. It's ridiculous. Look at my name in Zoom, what Jay done did to me, Savage.
What do you say, Mr. Nuttabutter?
All this abuse I deal with here. Keep telling you all. Weston tried to tell him. Friday marks, on Friday, my indicator will be 1 month old. 1 month old. Yeah, basically is GGG. Bro, how are bots getting in here? Yeah. Whatever you do not go buy LRHC. That was bots spamming the chat. I think I blocked all them. We will never buy it, ever. Distract me again while I'm trading. We'll figure out who you are. John, I didn't catch this one because I was talking to everyone on live here, but a lot of people did catch it. With the indicator, of course. Been a very nice trade, huh? You can, if you're doing Tradevate, you can just use Tradevate's group. JX, I think honestly, paper trading's okay. I'm not against it, but like, I think trading on evals is better than paper trading because at least you have a little bit of money in it. You know, this is my thoughts. Nothing wrong with paper trading. Reject level's the only thing I have, honestly. It's the last level right here. Hopefully it lines up in my SPX resistance at 5765. I don't think it will though. Someone said, I don't know. I'm not for sure. I can't confirm that. You'll have to ask, whoever you're with. Appreciate that, Bill. I try to keep everyone in here, out of bad trades. Kind of give you my thought process, even when we confirm. If I don't like what I'm saying, I'll let you all know. Sometimes a little experience saves me money, Who took this off the hourly confirmation? Did anyone? Or who's making money off this Grizzology confirmation? I guess is the question. Not often, Adrian. That's awesome, MR. Been a game changer for you? You all want me to go live all week this week? Let's do it. I feel that, Zachary. I don't feel alone with you all either. How we doing, Team Bull? Catching any trades? Kind of in between my levels. Danny just caught a nice trade. Nice. Wow, Danny, he made 67K. all right, John. You know, you don't have to be a fan of Danny's. You can trade with me or whoever you like, whatever style you prefer. I understand what you mean, John. Like, I can't trade like certain people. It just doesn't fit my personality or the way the way I trade. So I get that for sure. Wow. That was it, wasn't it? I need your all help. I can't watch, so I've only got so many screens. So tomorrow when we're trading, I want someone to have the 5 minute up on ES and the 5 minute up on that has Grizzology on NQ. And if I'm not looking at it, let me know if we confirm, okay? Help me out a little. I don't get FOMO often, but this trade right here is trying its best. Oh, you all have no idea how much I hold back my accent. Maybe so. Maybe we can. My problem is I don't like sitting here all day. I like to set my alerts or just listening for my Grizzology alerts and come back when I hear them. You know what I mean? Oh, yawn, yawn. Any more questions for me? Kind of in between these levels, so I don't know how much longer I'm going to stick on here. Stick around. You all have, for those that have my indicator, if you hear the alerts, come back. If you don't, You should have my weekly watch list levels. Those are in play today as well. Set your alert for them. It's an important thing, MK. As far as trading goes, I'm not sure how it shouldn't affect our day trading. We're gonna make money regardless, but um, I don't really like to go into politics and stuff. If you have to guess how someone stands, you know, they're probably not doing their job or not standing for something. Let's see here. My stomach's making noise again. That means it's about time to eat. Jesus, Team Bull is on fire. Everyone's crushing it inside Team Bull today. Nice trades, everyone. It's probably a fake, Witty. Careful. Well, I think I'm gonna end this live. You all have my levels, my weekly watch list. The weekly watch list levels from YouTube are in play. So set your alerts, and we'll do this again tomorrow. Hopefully, we can catch a nice trade together. Appreciate you all.